To open a Webull account, start by downloading the Webull app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once the app is installed, tap on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to protect your account. After entering your email and password, tap on the Next button to proceed. On the next screen, you will be asked to provide some basic information, including your name, date of birth, and social security number. This information is required to verify your identity and comply with regulatory requirements. After providing the required information, you will need to answer a few questions about your investment experience and financial situation. This information will help Webull to determine your suitability for different types of investments. Once you have completed the registration process, you will receive an email from Webull to verify your account. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. After verifying your account, you can log into the Webull app and fund your account using a bank transfer, wire transfer, or other accepted payment methods. You can also explore the various features and tools offered by Webull, including real-time market data, charts, and analysis. It is essential to note that Webull is a self-directed trading platform, which means that you will be responsible for making your own investment decisions. Therefore, it is crucial to educate yourself about the different types of investments and the risks associated with them before you start trading. In conclusion, opening a Webull account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and taking the time to understand the features and risks of the platform, you can start trading with confidence and make the most out of your investment experience.